Hey there, imagine never missing a call again. With Voicewaze AI answering service, your business can handle every call, day or night, with unmatched precision and efficiency. Our AI-powered assistant delivers custom greetings, answers queries, and schedules appointments seamlessly, cutting hiring costs and boosting productivity. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you. Ready to experience the future of customer interaction? Let's dive in.
Thanks for calling Copper Blues Rock Pub and Kitchen. I can help with reservations, orders, info about events, or answer any questions you may have. We're open now and close on Thursday at 1 a.m. How can I help you?
Hi, yes, I would like to place a reservation for a birthday party.
I can help with that. I just need to collect a few quick pieces of information from you. To start out, what is your name, first and last?
John Doe.
Thank you, John Doe. When are you looking to book your group reservation?
May 31st.
Great. How many people are in your party?
About 23.
Thank you for that information. Do you have any dietary restrictions or food allergies that we should be aware of?
No.
All right. Is this a special occasion?
Yes, it's my wife's birthday.
That sounds like a special celebration. Any other details you'd like to provide?
We'll probably arrive by 11 p.m.
Thank you for providing all the necessary information. Just a couple more questions. Could you please provide your email address? Please spell it out.
johnd@gmail.com.
Okay, I have your email address as johnd@gmail.com. Is that right?
Yes.
Great. Lastly, can you please provide your phone number?
Yes, it's 305-444-8888.
Thank you for providing your phone number. I have it as 305-444-8888. Is that correct?
Yes.
Great. Someone should follow up soon. Thanks for calling Copper Blues Rock Pub and Kitchen. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.